Hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about differences between what and that. So, that can be omitted from a sentence, and the meaning of a sentence won't be lost, so keep that in mind. But you can't do that with what. You can't omit what from a sentence. But you can actually use some other words instead of what. Let's look at our examples. I can't believe gap I've just heard. I can't believe what I've just heard. You can replace it. I can't believe the news I've just heard. Yeah. Let's move on. He knows gap it takes to succeed. He knows what it takes to succeed. We can replace. He knows the effort it takes to succeed. Next one. The time gap we spent in Florida was really fun. The time that we spent in Florida was really fun. Actually, we can omit it here. The time we spent in Florida was really fun. You can say like that. Do you know gap the teacher explained in class today? Do you know the rule the teacher explained in class today? So we need what. It's exactly gap I was looking for. It's exactly what. It's exactly the thing I was looking for. You can replace what. The reason gap they left early is not clear. The reason that they left early is not clear. You can omit it. The reason they left early is not clear. Tell me, gap, you want for your birthday. Tell me what? Tell me the present you want for your birthday. The movie gap we watched was really interesting. The movie that we watched was really interesting. I don't understand gap caused the delay. I don't understand what, because we can replace. I don't understand the problem that caused the delay. Can you explain gap makes this so important? Can you understand what makes this so important? Can you explain the issue that makes this so important? Can replace. I have no idea gap they will do next. Write me in the comments what we should write in here. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.